Hey guys, testing. Hey guys, so I'm testing something out. Comment below some stocks. I'm gonna do this until 7 p.m. So we have 16 minutes because I'm posting three videos in YouTube. It's coming out 7:15, 8:15, 9:15. I'm just trying this live Facebook stream live feature out. So I don't know. Let's try it. Someone requested for DMC, so let's try to do it and start it from here. So for DMC, this is basically the resistance. This is a support. You can also place a short-term support here. This is how it could possibly look. Now, if you're a follower of MACD, you will also see that it's still relatively flat, bearish, below zero. Then it's also showing you that there's not much momentum somewhere around here. That's why you see it relatively flat as of this point. So what I could suggest and what we could normally see here is that if it bounces off the 5.89 level, possible movement for DMC could go here. And if I'll put some resistances for the stock, this is how it could possibly go. So one thing you could look at if you want to see this start to break out and go further to around 9 pesos per share, a possible reversal area is if it breaks past the 9 and 20 level. So by the way, please let me know if audio is good. I'm just testing this out. I want to see if this is something that's working for all of us, and then maybe if this is something that's good, I'll try to uh, implement this for something else later on in the future as well. So si Bernard who's been a regular in our videos, hello to you. Sige, let's look at Metro Bank. I think Metro Bank, no, the thing about Metro Bank is I said this in the Bloomberg interview. You have an RSI cross up here uh, for for Metro Bank. It also coincides with its bounce from this particular support level. So what makes this a bit interesting is that because of that bounce, the common narrative is you try to look for the next possible resistance, and I think the next resistance from that bounce is around the 63 peso level. So since Metro Bank is relatively bearish, the goal here is not to just follow the trend, but just to make money out of it being oversold. So you have to set target prices and you have to sell relatively quicker and faster for Metro Bank as a whole. So that's it for Metro Bank. For MPI, by the way, I'm just trying this pilot of doing stocks by request here. I normally would do it in Facebook, but I'm trying to see if I could actually do it also here live for I don't know for YouTube to try the stream and how it actually works. Pero I don't know how to implement how to put my face here as well. But for MPI, those who requested MPI, this is the common narrative, and it's closing in now. No, the 200-day moving average is at the 4.4 level. So what you could suspect if it bounces off 3.13, 3.15, next target price will be at the 3.80 level. This is around 22%. This will give you a 22% upside should it bounce and stay from at those levels. So buy at 3.15, sell at 3.8, cut if it goes below the 3.13 level because the downside target will bring it back to the 2.79 area. For position traders, it's still relatively bearish as well. So guys, just comment the stocks that you want me to show. This, by the way, this video, since it's streamed live, I don't know if it will be uploaded or it will be saved after the video. So this is just basically a live stream for all of you guys who are currently online as of this point in time. So let's look at tech naman for those who requested tech here. There for tech, no, it's still moving in its reversal. It still needs to break out though from this. I think this is a significant resistance that it's trying to break out from, but it's starting to consolidate already. The consolidation pattern now is over here. You have a support level at the 8.4 level. Target price should be here at the 13.65 level. So buy there, set your targets there. The upside is quite big. If you try to put a resistance here for short-term trading, this could be a resistance already for you, 11.25. You can set your target prices to sell there. Failure to break out from this level, that's still a good 30+% return already for you guys. So there. So Kevin Martin asking for home. Let's look at home. Comment below if you're learning from this, guys. So for all home, no, what's so interesting was it started to break down after the massive breakdown. It's now parang forming this channel. You have a short-term resistance at the 10.15 level. You have the support at 11.2. It's still in the midst of its breakdown. Let's see if it starts to consolidate. It's massively oversold as of this point in time. We have Drill King asking for Tel. So sige, let's look at Tel. So this is PLDT. As you can see, it's consolidating also support and resistance here. It's if I try to make something here, it's trying to do this. Let's see if because of this failure to break out from the 1119 resistance level, if it does this again. So it's still pretty much context sideways with larger swings, and this is a very good way for you to make money also. It's quite predictable if it goes back here at this level. If it goes back to the 985 level, this becomes a buying opportunity. This is a 13.7 percent swing already for you to make money. So for those who bought here last Feb 4, somewhere Feb 4, it's not wrong to take profits here because it's very close already to its resistance level. However, should it break out from 119, that becomes a new buy signal for you. Next target price for that short next target price that you could peg is around this level. So just keep on sending those messages, guys. The stocks that you want me to analyze. We have 9 more minutes because I have to prepare for our 7:15 premiere for our particular videos. Sige, si Adrian. By the way, guys, please comment. I want to know where are you guys from? What cities are you from? How long are you investing in the market before I show you more stocks as well. Sige, let's look at Jollibee. There's a request for Jollibee. So this is Jollibee. It's also consolidating. You could put your levels here. So it's already close to where the support is for those who want to make a quick trade on Jollibee. 187, 217 trade. Buy at 187, sell at 217. You can make a quick trade on this. For Adrian again, let's look at URC. For URC, this is the basic context for it. It's now trying to break out, no, from this level. If it breaks out and pushes above this, by the way, it's if it breaks out and pushes above this, then we may see a reversal. What's so interesting though, for URC, it's trying to develop and push and increase. The lows are increasing. This gives us more context and more evidence that it may form an uptrend as well, but it has to really break out from this 200-day moving average. If it breaks out, you can set target prices here for the stock as well. So very interesting because if we look at URC, it already broke out from the short-term downtrend. It's already trying to form and consolidate already, but if it breaks out from this level, then there's a greater context and a greater chance that we may see the stock start to push up and go higher as well. So that's where we are, Adrian. For URC, Sigile Angelos asking for Sun. So for Sun, if you look at it here, and if I'll try to draw a line here, and I'll try to draw another line here. whatever upward movement that Sun caused was already broken right here. A possible scenario is we may see this start to go sideways as of this point in time. So possible trading ranges: buy it as close as you can to 1.7, sell at 2.25. MJ Rafaela, we already talked about Metrobank at the start of the video, so there. You can just backtrack, no, but I don't know if this will be uploaded since I'm doing this as a live stream. Darwin Espera, hello to you. Gamer Online from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Thank you so much. Yeah, Gamer, we'll have 3 videos tonight: 7:15, 8:15, 9:15. I hope you guys can join me there, and I hope you guys get a lot from those videos. I've been working hard to make quality content, quality videos for all of you guys as well. Nikki Dison, thank you. Thank you for being that I'm part of your uh, daily habits. What else? Oh, Pure Gold. I saw someone ask for Pure Gold. Uh, Someone asked for Pure Gold. Let's look at it as well. Of course, Darwin, greet lang ng greet. So for Pure Gold, it's just pretty predictable. It's sideways. The difference though between Pure Gold is, if you look at it, it's a very, very, very thin range. You have a support at 38 and you have a resistance at 40.5. The range though isn't as big. No, you only have a 6%. You only have a 6% range here for Pure Gold. Hello to you. Hello to you, Norman. Hello to you, Roen, asking for tech. Tech tapos na. We talked about tech at some part of this video kanina. So, this is live streaming lang. So, yun. I got inspired of doing live streaming. I saw a lot of people who were doing gaming streams. So, I said I'll try to do it also uh, for for stock charts. Loli Calpo, hello from you. Hello to you guys in England. I'll be there in London for Stock Smarts London this April 16, I think, or 18 yata. We will have 2 days of technical analysis there, and I hope to see you there, Lolly. 4 more minutes before we end this stream. Send in your stocks that you guys want me to talk about. Darwin, tapos na sa web. Week, sige. Or hindi pa ba? Let me check. Parang tapos na sa web. I think tapos na sa web. Yeah, so web is basically just this. This is the underlying range for web: 3.25, 3.96. If you want to trade web, buy at 3.25, sell at 3.96. So as you notice it's close to the resistance already. Good for you to sell at this point in time. Good for you to take profits. Bernard, sige, tignan natin. Let's see if we can do this live stream regularly. Gian, APX. Edwin, hello to you. Gerald, hello, asking for Meg. Edwin asking for MPI. Edwin, tapos na MPI. We did MPI earlier. MJ Rafaela, hi Sir Marvin. We'll just watch it later if you'll upload it. Welcome. Roen, asking for DMC. Roen, tapos na. Ferns, tapos na yung URC. Mitchie, thank you that you appreciate it. Let's do Meg. So for Meg, no, from a trend perspective, if I'll just draw a trend line here, you'll basically see this, that it's basically in a downtrend that got broken at this point in January. An expectation for Meg now is basically it's trying to consolidate. Consolidatory range is 3.8 to 4.5. You have a support here and a resistance here. Buy at 3.8, sell at 4.5. Make sure if 3.8 does not hold, please make sure to cut your losses. Buy as close as you can to 3.8. Start your target price at the 4.5 levels as well. Nikki D said this live content is quite good, giving us timely info. It's a good way for you to engage your community as I keep doing this. However, Nikki, the videos that I post though in YouTube, though, those are all timely also, as those are all new videos. Those are all live as of the moment charts as well. So, yun, I'm trying to tinker, no? I'll see if this is something that's interesting for me. Thank you, Lolly. Thank you, Rowan. So, probably 2 or 3 more stocks. We're nearing 7 o'clock. And I need to put this stream to end because the videos will premiere for my normal YouTube videos around 7:15. So basically, also for position traders, since it's not yet really reversing, you can stay away from the stock first. For quick traders, please respect the 3.8 and 4.45 range. APX, Gian. Oh, buti na alala ko, wala pang nag-request na APX. Let's do APX. So this is APX. These are the support levels for APX. This is the support resistance levels. You have a support at 0.085. You have another support at 1. You have a resistance at 1.17. What I want you to note though for APX is this. The MACD is bearish. This is the resistance, and you also have it below the 100-day moving average. One thing that I'd like to show you also, if I zoom in here, you'll actually see this. It's below the 1 peso level. So meaning if it fails to go back at this level next week, possible downside risk is it could go to 8.85. Then this is the possible downside. No, it could go down more than 11%. That's for you, Gian. Ruben, tapos na sa DMCI. We have Cebu Pacific. Sige, let's do Cebu Pacific. For Cebu Pac, this is the progression. You have a support here, you have a resistance here. Please remember, this is the one that gets most affected from the coronavirus scare. One thing that I'd like you to see for Cebu Pacific. Rafael, we're done. I think I did ISM already kanina. For Cebu Pacific, it tried to consolidate, but somewhere around January, just a few weeks ago, it already broke down from this level. That's why we're seeing this particular movement. So one thing to watch out for and to expect for Cebu Pacific, if 84.4 does not hold, it could just go back here to the 73.86 level. If the 73.86 level does not hold, possible downward movement will just go here to the 68.7 level. Rafael, I think we did ISM kanina. Thank you, Gerald Milyaso. Gian, thank you then. Dopey Dog, good evening. Thank you so much, Mukbang Girl. Thank you. I remember Mukbang, you sent me a message. Mukbang City Girl, we did DMCI already, we did Jollibee already, we did Meg already. For Globe, I posted a video for Globe. It's coming out at 9:15. XA Gun asking for SHLPH. For Shell PH, this is how it looks like. It's still in a massive, 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 massive downtrend. However, for the short term, you could put this and this and this as its range. You have a support at 29.2, a resistance at 31.25, then another resistance at a 34.25 level. So next week, if it breaks out from 31.25, then there's an ability for it to challenge that level. From the breakout at 31.25 to 34, you have a 9% upside from here to here. If you bought at the bounce, you have an 18% upside as well. So I hope you guys got a lot from this. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned, 7:15, 8:15, 9:15. I have 3 videos for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope to see you next week in Taiwan. And I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.